Hey, welcome back to After Hours. And this week we've been doing tortillas. But we do need something to wash down those tortillas, so we're making the OTK Smoky Ranch Water. Anyways, this is a very good way to get into mezcal. Maybe you haven't had a mezcal before. This is a great drink to kind of break into it, because it's not too strong. Yes. So don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that little bell, and pass me a lime.
All right, it's a fiesta.
It is. We got our little sombreros.
That's right. We're in the mood.
Yes, yes we are. So, first thing we want to do is we want to have our Blackstone griddle hot.
Oh yeah.
We want it
cold?
hot. Right, exactly.
That's the new one.
Well,
I thought we always used the Blackstone cold.
well, you know, unfortunately we're not making, what is that called, the ice cream that they do on the cold,
The marble slab? Slab ice cream?
the slab ice cream or whatever they call it.
Well, then I'm leaving.
We're doing something better though.
Then I'm staying.
It's a smoky mule.
Ooh.
I mean,
no, it's not. It's a smoky ranch water.
look at that smoke.
Oof.
Okay, it is a smoky ranch water.
All
That's
right.
what's
I'm getting a
important.
little distracted by the smoke.
I am. And
So-
we're just gonna put our limes on here. We're gonna get a nice caramelization on here. Using some techniques we've learned throughout.
No, that's cool. You kind of will sweeten it up, give it a little char.
Yeah.
Plus, we're using a mezcal, so that will really go well with the smokiness of the mezcal.
Yep, and that's how we're getting our smoky ranch water.
Ooh.
Yeah, and this is a really good drink if you're, on like a diet, especially a keto diet. It's very low carb.
Yeah, no added sugars,
Yeah.
and like a margarita, which is a lot of sugar.
Exactly, it's
simple
basically
syrups.
like a really skinny margarita.
Yes, very skinny.
Yeah, no added sugars.
Oh,
Just the
that's
natural
cool.
sugars.
And they're really easy to make. I mean,
Yeah.
could you do this ahead of time if you were
could.
having like a little party and just have them out?
You could definitely do this ahead of time. You could even already squeeze it and just have the juice.
Hey, that's cool. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, you could easily just do that. Let's see, because we got these going pretty good. Yeah, that's almost ready.
Okay. So you need a juicer,
Yeah, I'm gonna need a juicer. Yep,
measurer,
yep,
ice.
yeah. Let's go ahead and get some ice in there. So yeah, ranch waters are really easy. It's basically 3 ingredients. So
Oh, do you want me to put a rim on this?
yeah.
Okay.
I mean, that's an important thing to do.
Well, how about this? Yeah, I forgot. We have a little tajin.
Yes. Yeah. So while you're getting that rim going, I'm gonna go ahead and start juicing my limes to get an ounce of lime juice. So yeah, there we go. So we did do enough limes to do 2 drinks, but,
Well, good. There's 2 of us.
and something to keep in mind is your lime juice is gonna be a little more warm, so it's gonna melt the ice a little bit more, but it's not to worry because
I put 2 extra cubes in for it.
that's right. But really not to worry because this drink we're topping with Topo Chico, which means we're adding water anyway, so it'll be fine. So we're gonna add our single ounce of lime juice.
Ooh, look at
Yeah,
that.
you could tell that.
Then you got your mezcal.
Yeah. So we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of our Don Ramon mezcal.
Pretty good mezcal, actually.
It really is. It's really smooth.
Ooh, bubbly. So this is a pretty easy cocktail, I will say.
Very easy.
Don't even use the shaker. No egg white. Nothing. What is?
Nothing. This is, honestly, probably one of the easiest cocktails we've made in a little bit.
Yeah, it really is. But we added the grilling the limes.
We did. And of course the tajin on the rim. Got to do that.
And a little topo.
Yeah, just top it with Topo.
There we go. Ooh.
There we go. Now we can just use our little. Oh,
Excuse me, sir. We're a full service bar here.
Okay. Look at that. That was so easy. Ranch waters are one of the basic drinks of,
Yeah, they're delicious. I'll tell you.
I mean, of any bar, really. They're one of the most basic drink you can get.
Yes, that's beautiful. All right. Well, now that we have a great drink, we got some tortillas.
Yes,
It's time to enjoy both.
it is. Let's do it. You want to try it?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
All right. Cheers.
Ooh.
Wow. That's really good. That's surprising too.
You look surprised. Well,
I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a huge ranch water fan. But smoky, that mezcal adds, like, you can tell it's smoky.
wow.
But I think cooking the limes, it's not harsh acid. That's really good.
Yeah,
I like
no,
that. I could
that's
sip on those.
that is a very good way.
Some
Anyways, this is a very good way to get into mezcal. Maybe you haven't had a mezcal before. This is a great drink to kind of
try it out.
break into it. Also, this mezcal is a good one too, because it's not too strong.
Yes, there are some that are very smoky.
Like the Casamigos
charcoal.
mezcal is, that's a smoky mezcal. That's crazy. But, I mean, it's good, but and just to get into it, this is a good cocktail and a good,
That's awesome. I
Good
really
tequila.
enjoyed it. And I'm going to enjoy it. I guess you got to make yourself one.
yeah, well, I've got all the stuff to make more, so we definitely could.
Well, let's get to making and get to drinking.
Yeah. So, this Cinco de Mayo, you've got an easy cocktail that you can make.
Right. And Cinco de Mayo's coming up.
It is. So, don't forget to drink responsibly.
Yeah.
And pass me a lime. And pass me a lime. And pass me a lime. Okay, that'll be funny behind the scenes.